Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and the environment. Clean the fingerprint sensor and your finger thoroughly and remove any screen protector that overlaps the sensor. Once done, reboot the phone to clear temporary software issues and make sure system updates are applied, because driver fixes matter. You should also test a dry, well-lit fingertip placement. These first steps eliminate 70–80% of enrollment problems quickly. They set a stable baseline before deeper resets or settings changes. Next, you tackle configuration. Delete all prior fingerprints and re-register slowly, capturing multiple angles of the pad and the edges of your fingertip. If errors persist, go to Settings, Right Arrow Apps, Right Arrow Show System, Right Arrow Fingerprint Manager, and clear cache or data to reset the enrollment database. This fixes corrupt entries. Make sure to try registration in safe mode to see if a third-party app is blocking sensor access. These steps force a fresh, clean biometric state. Finally, if software measures fail, back up your data and perform a factory reset, because corrupted system files can sabotage enrollment. Once reset, repeat clean registration. If the sensor still rejects prints, you likely face hardware damage. Contact Infinix service or an authorized repair center for sensor replacement. As a last troubleshooting tip, create a new user profile and try enrolling there. That isolates account-level corruption and can save a repair. Always document error messages for support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.